Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be installing a quarter fairing for my 2019 Harley-Davidson Low Rider. I'll be using a 3/16 hex to remove this top cover here. So what I have here is the quarter fairing install kit. That's going to be separate from the fairing itself. So keep that in mind if you're thinking about ordering one of these. Okay, so it looks like all the parts are packaged separately. And I'm going to throw these back in the box for now because I don't need these just yet. This is the piece that I need. I need to install the clutch cable guide on there. So as you can see, the new clutch cable guide is much longer than the old one. It looks like that's the way it fits the best on here. So the instructions say that I'm supposed to tighten those visor screws to 35 to 48 inch-pounds. So I'll probably do about 45 inch-pounds. So according to Harley-Davidson's instructions, this top visor piece stays in place. The only thing that changes out is this clutch cable guide. And as you can see, the longer one is in place. Here are the parts for the Softail quarter fairing bracket kit. Okay, I'm going to start off with the right mounting bracket, so I'll need the bracket and the clamp and then these two screws right here. And these bracket screws are T27. Okay, the insides of the brackets have rubber coating on there so they don't scratch the forks, so that's pretty nice. I put the right one on here and I put these screws on very loosely for now, just so that I can get a good idea of alignment when I get the other side on. So these are on very loosely. I can still move them just so I can line up the center bracket. I have to bring the brackets down a little bit because this kind of interferes with the visor. So I'm going to drop these brackets down a little bit and then try to connect these two pieces right here. Okay, so I moved these brackets down a little bit away from the top of the fork. So now when I put this bracket on, it doesn't hit the visor. Okay, so I'm going to put these little washers in between the this cross brace and the left and right brackets, just so you don't have metal rubbing against metal. Kind of right in the middle there. Okay, here's what it looks like with the entire bracket kit in place. Now I did leave the screws sort of loose on the side here, just enough to keep it from falling down, but I want to do a test fit on the actual fairing part first before I tighten these down all the way. So here they have the windshield portion packaged separately, and then the fairing itself. Now I was really surprised how light this was when I first picked it up. Here's a look at the connectors that hold this fairing on. The bracket kit came with these 4 rubber grommets, and those go right here. And you push them all the way through, and that's going to be what's going to hold the actual fairing on. I got all 4 of the grommets installed. You could probably do it before you put the brackets on, but I didn't want to get in the way of these screws here, so I waited until the end. Harley recommends that you can clean these off with some rubbing alcohol if you want to get the white stuff off of there. The windshield has these little mounting holes all the way around it. Those correspond with these holes right here. You have a special plastic washer, a thick rubber washer, then you have a flat one, and then the nut on the end. So these two go on the back side, and these 3 go on the front of the windshield. I've got all the bolts in here loosely, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten them up now. Just going to be really careful not to over tighten them because this is just plastic, so I don't want to crack anything. These front bolts are T20 and the backs are 8mm. Okay, the test fit looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this off, and I'm going to tighten the fork brackets. Okay, for these two bracket screws, Harley recommends 9 to 10 foot-pounds. Okay, now that the bracket is fully installed, I'm just going to push the windshield in place. Okay, first impressions, Harley-Davidson quarter fairing. Definitely a keeper, performs just as well as I'd hoped it would. Basically just looking to keep wind off of my chest a little bit, and that's exactly what this does. Now, it's not going to perform as well as a full fairing, but that's not what I was looking for. Yeah, the main reason I wanted to do this video was just to put a reference out there in case somebody was interested in putting one of these quarter fairings onto a Softail, more specifically a 2019 Low Rider. So I will be posting an update once I get the new bars installed on here to see how it works with this quarter fairing kit. In case you're interested, the bars I'm putting on here are the Harley-Davidson Street Slammers. If you like the video, click the like button. If you'd like to subscribe and you haven't already, click that subscribe button. Until next time.